Hi, welcome back. You join me in the middle of a heat wave, standing outside, sanding this awesome Darth Revan helmet from Alexander Makes. Well, it's from Knights of the Old Republic, but the design is from Alexander Makes. This one was made on request, actually, so I didn't get much good footage because I was too busy focused on getting it done. So, printed it, sanded it, sprayed it, sanded it, and I think it was smooth enough to start painting, so I primed it black. Cracked open my homebrew mix of black silver, which is a little bit darker than lead belcher, which means I can build up on it as a nice dark base coat. So I give it a complete covering. 2 or 3 layers should do it. So that will be a nice solid base coat to build up some of the battle damage and slight imperfections that are on the reference images I was using. So once that was all done and dry, I cracked open some World Bearer's Red, which is a slightly dark red, and gave a nice coat down to the bits on the armour that require it. I'm running out of things to say. I've been editing and narrating a lot of videos in one night. And using some Mephiston Red, I used a makeup sponge to dab that on and give it a nice brighter shade, but with some blending, just to give it a bit of character and complexity. Especially up near the top where it's going to fade out to nothing. And quickly did some touch-ups where the red had gotten loose before using some death metal to begin the weathering. So I just loosely mark it all down where it is on the reference photos. It doesn't have to be absolutely pitch perfect. It's about selling a vibe. We're going for vibes, which is a good way of saying imperfect. It's inspired by, okay, how about that? So once that darker coat was down, I will start building up with some lighter shades of silver, starting with lead belcher and then moving up to a nice bright chrome, just to finish it all off and get it as accurate as it looks in the game. So those final details done, all what's left to do is to varnish it. I've realised I'm quite trigger happy with varnish, and it can crack quite easily if you put it on too thick, so I spent 3 days doing multiple thin coats, and I think it turned out probably one of my best varnishing jobs. And the paint job is certainly up there. There's a certain amount of pressure when it's for someone else, but they always turn out better, like that Space Marine helmet I did at Christmas. But yeah, we're ready to call it done. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week. If you could hit the like button and maybe a little cheeky subscribe to help this small channel grow, I'd be super grateful. Yeah, had fun with this one. Popped a little visor in there to finish it off, and then shipped it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.